Alright guys, so I just received this order from Tecton. We have on the left side a 6-point 74-piece 3/8 inch square drive socket set. It is the item number SKT15311. On the right side is the 12-point 74-piece 3/8 inch square drive socket ratchet set, and it is the SKT15312. And I already have sets from Tecton and in the 6-point, and I really wanted to get some 12-point to replace my Craftsman stuff. I'm going to retire them, put them away. And so when they came out with the 74-piece set, even though it's going to have some of the same things that you see as far as the breaker bar, U-joint extensions, and ratchet, I decided just to get two of each, or one of each. So I have a complete set in the 6-point and a complete set in the 12-point. Now, as you can see here, the 6-point socket set was $125, and it includes 1/4 inch to 1 inch and 6 millimeter to 24 millimeters, and they're non-skip. I love that. So that was the 6-point. Now the 12-point, the same sizes, non-skip, was $140. And the good thing that I like about Tecton, you order it online, you get 10% in rewards. So there's $26.50 that I'm going to put towards some tools, which I already know what I want to buy, and I already had some other rewards, but I'm going to combine them with this $26.50. Now they come with these nice blow-molded cases, and they're real handy. So if you want to go somewhere, you can take the whole set with you. You won't have to guess what socket you're going to need. You'll have everything. Nice and convenient. What I like too is the hinges have a steel pin in them. Okay, so those are pinned, and then you have this nice latch here, so when you close them, just like that. They always ship things very nice too, well packaged. These came in extremely thick cardboard boxes. Alright, so here's a 24 millimeter in the 6-point. Very nice. They're nicely engraved, easy to see. Now for comparison, here's the 24 millimeter in the 12-point. Here are the two together. And the beauty of this is they come in standard and deep. Here you're looking at the 1/4 inch in the deep, your 6-point and your 12-point. Now here's the Tekton 18-inch breaker bar that each set comes with. And another nice thing is all the tools are stamped with the item numbers, so you know if you did have to do a replacement, you know exactly which one you have. And I love their handles. They're almost like Snap-on. I mean, they remind me of the Snap-on handle here. But really nice 18-inch bar. And it comes with their 8-inch 90-tooth ratchet. And again, I love their handles. Quick release. And they hold on there really nice. You definitely got to release it before they will come off. And what I like here is the direction that you put the lever is the direction that it works. So if I go there, you can see that it's going to work or tighten it. And if I go the opposite direction, it's going to loosen it because the work is being done in the direction of that lever. And with the 90 tooth, you get a 4-degree arc swing. A 3/8 inch universal. A 6-inch and 3-inch extension. And there you have it. I personally am a big fan of Tekton tools. They have very fast service. I ordered it after 3 o'clock, and obviously they put the order together. I got a notice that the shipping label was created later that evening, and was sent out the next day. Today is Saturday. I ordered it Thursday evening and received it Saturday morning.